Hello everyone, welcome to Miss Corina's Mini Storytime Books. Today's story is called Fridge and Oven's Big Job. It is by Weinberg. This is Fridge, and this is Oven, and this is their big job. Making cookies, chocolate chip cookies, yum. Step 1, get hungry. Let's watch them work. Fridge keeps important ingredients cold. Brr. Here they are. Eggs, chocolate chip, milk, butter, baking soda, broccoli, flour, sugar. Maybe save the broccoli for later. Now mix up the ingredients, stir, 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 and preheat the oven. Put the cookie dough on a baking sheet and take a step back while the cookies go in. Very hot. It's time for oven's job, big job. Let's peek inside. Hot, 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 hot. Oven is almost done. Just 5 more minutes. Let's count down. 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, and the cookies are done. They're still hot. Now let's check out all their hard work. Before, eggs, chocolate chip, butter, flour, sugar, baking soda, milk. Cool the cookies, broccoli, delicious, just not with cookies. Mouth-watering milk, everything's done, time to eat cookies and share. It looks like you have a big job too.